And I'm Joe McKenzie, government producer here at the Miami Valley Communications Council, and we've got a special guest today. We've got Lakshman Kumar Guruji, and we're humbled to have you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much for getting me here.
Absolutely.
I'm most happy to be amongst you now here.
Okay.
And if you like in future, again we can make it a systematic way. Today,
Okay.
it was just done in the casual way. But we can make this yoga more systematically through your prettiest center.
Okay.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, I think what Mr. Guruji has to say here is that we shot him doing some yoga here earlier today, and we made a little video. But yoga, I would say, has exploded here in the United States in the past decade, if not more.
Good.
You have been doing yoga for 74
Yes.
years? Since you were 13 years old?
70 years.
70 years.
Yeah.
How did you get started?
At the age of 12, I started.
Okay.
I was studying in a primary school.
Okay.
Then with the primary school teacher, he was teaching it to all the people, students,
Okay.
his students, as a regular just teacher.
Uh-huh.
Then along with my studies, I learnt it with him.
Okay.
Then I continued it when I was in high school
Okay.
and during the college days also.
Wow.
I continue. It has become a regular feature with me.
Okay. Wow.
Then I was, just to propagate this, I was moving from place to place, sometimes by walk,
Mm-hmm.
up to 70 miles.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I used to fast myself for 3-4 days continuously, not because of non-availability of the food,
Okay.
but because of work.
Mm-hmm.
Because in performing certain things, I had to fast. I had to keep myself completely, stomach completely empty.
My goodness.
For that, I had to fast.
Wow.
And finally, I used to get success in my work.
Okay.
My work, my interest was to just demonstrate all these things
Okay.
and explain the things to the public
Okay.
in the simplest possible way, which can be reached them.
Okay.
That was my interest. I used to get
Wonderful.
it.
Wow.
That's the thing.
Interesting. So, 70 years you've been doing this. Am I allowed to ask you how old you are?
I'm 84
84.
years.
84 years young. My goodness. And you've been doing yoga for 70 years. So how did you become interested?
Actually, when I was in a primary school,
Okay.
my teacher was practicing it. He taught it to all the other students also,
Okay.
as just hobby.
Sure.
So then I learnt it
Okay.
from him.
Okay.
Then all the others left it.
Okay.
But I was just sticking on to this practice, and he also went on just teaching more and more things, continued it, expanded it.
Okay. Well, it's obvious that you have a great talent for the practice of yoga, and you achieved that talent at an early age. What are your contributions and some of your achievements in the field of yoga?
My contribution, I was interested in spreading the message, good message of yoga to the maximum possible number of people through different ways. Number one, teaching it to a common man. Number two, teaching it to the students. Number three, teaching it to the teachers, preparing teachers. Number four, preparing the researchers, like doctors who can study the effect of these yoga practices, etc. Next is just to reach its message to the patients suffering from disorders and some professional hazards also. Professional hazards means some deformities formed due to their work. For example, thoracic surgeons, they have to just go for surgery and they have to sit in a particular way for hours together and get paid. It is professional hazard. Like that, then many people, because of their professional work,
Yes.
which cannot be avoided by them,
Yes.
they used to get, for example, another one, some people who stand for hours together for police person, watchmen, and they used to get varicose veins
Ouch.
in the calf muscles. They used to suffer a lot. And some others, whenever they used to go just outside the house, they used to get sneezing effects, sneezing, and cold, allergic conditions to cold.
Okay.
Because of all these things, I just started going to those people, and one doctor who was a surgeon of that particular area, he was a diabetic patient. He came to me, then I taught it to him. He gave the report. Being a doctor himself, he gave the correct report. He said in the public that I learnt yoga from him. Now my diabetes is controlled fully. I am perfect man now, he said.
That is fascinating.
By the practice of yoga. Like that it went on, just getting the message spread out.
Okay.
Then my nature was just not staying in one place, going from one place to the other, one school to the other school, one organization to the other organization, like Rotary Club, Lions Club, social service clubs, and just giving these lecture cum demonstrations and showing it to them, their performance, and conducting a number of classes there through them without taking any money.
That's what
I was not taking money from anybody, even to the conduct of the classes. Free classes were conducted. So I continued it. When I continued, and after many years, the university authorities came to know that I have been doing it, because they themselves had learnt it from me. Then they asked me the question, some authorities, you have been doing all these things, but you are not collecting any money from anybody. You are teaching free of cost. You are giving this charts, yoga charts, free of cost. You are providing even some books also from your spending money from your pocket. Sometimes I was to host my students who were in need of learning yoga, foreigners and Indians and other things. People from other countries also, they used to come because they were in need of learning, but they were not in a position to pay much money. I used to ask them to stay with me and providing shelter and food and teach. This way I continued my work. So university authorities, when they came to know about my work, social work in the society, then they thought, why should we not just engage him in our university? That idea was in their mind. Then they asked me, why don't you join some service? My mission is to spread it properly, to convince this science properly, to spread the message to many people. This was the thing. Then somebody asked me, I learnt yoga from you. You have not taken even a single penny from me. But how long you go on continuing this process? What about your livelihood? What about your future? I said, I had never thought of it. I never thought of it. Just I have been doing it continuously. I am doing it. Then he asked me, one engineer, he learnt yoga from me, and he said, no, if you continue like this, how long you are doing it? It is a difficult task, because you need money for everything, travel, you need money for your future, you need money for other things also, aims and objectives to fulfill. Then better if you can join some service. I said, sir, if I join this service, I have to drop this, so I don't want to drop this, I want to continue it. Then he asked, so suppose you get a job in which teach it. Can you just join? I said, I don't mind, sir. I don't mind, I can join. If this is not discontinued, if I can continue this, I can join. Then university authorities took interest in it and appointed me there in the university to teach this yoga, to give you respect. We have appointed you here in the university. You can do whatever the work you were doing earlier.
Okay.
Continue your work. They said, they gave me full freedom. No other restriction were there with me.
Okay.
Then I continued the similar thing, what I was doing earlier, going from place to place and other things. But I was telling the name of the university. I am coming from this university. When they gave free hand to me, I went on doing it. Sometimes I was organizing the literature exhibition on yoga. What are the literatures available on yoga? Books, charts, and some instruments which were available. So through that I was propagating amongst the public. I had lost many books also of mine own during that, because some people who used to see those things, they used to carry them.
Right, right.
They were never returned.
I know, yeah, I know.
But still then, I did not stop it.
Sure.
Even though after losing many good things, but I continued it.
Yep.
Then once it was so happened, university grant commissions who were providing grants to all the universities in India, they had come for inspection. Whenever something is to be sanctioned to the university, the commission members used to come there, inspecting things. If the demand is genuine, then only they were sanctioning the department.
Interesting.
With that interest, they had come. Then I arranged the book exhibition, literature exhibition. Then they were very much impressed by that. That overnight I just arranged it. Then I started asking our university authorities, who is this man, gentleman? What is this? What is? Our university authorities said, no, he is a person working in our university. He is he has arranged all these things. He can give even lecture demonstration also in yoga. They said. Then they provided me some time by 10:30 at night. After their dinner, I went on giving the lecture cum demonstration for about 1.5 hours. Whatever the things are there about this yoga, demonstrating and explaining about its scientific aspects and their benefits and other things and all these things. And finally I said, before thanking them, concluding my lesson, so I am very much thankful to you for spending so much of time you have spent to see my demonstration. But one request with you is that I am alone here working in the university. 70% of the colleges I have just visited without taking any remuneration from them and gave my lecture cum demonstration, conducted the classes free of cost. I said. Then because now since I am alone, there is a lot of demand, I am unable to fulfill their desire and demands. Then for that purpose, one thing that I want to request you is, if we can start with a department here in the university, from the university, so that we can produce some more teachers. I can teach more people, so that whenever there is a demand, we can just send them with this. Secondly, we can publish some books and charts also from the university. Third thing, we can treat different patients also through this yoga as a yoga therapy. So with this, and if you are interested in it, I'll be most happy if you can just start with the permission of department. Immediately, highest authorities of the visiting members, there were 16 members from all over India. They said, yes, we have sanctioned the department. You can start with the things. They overnight by 12 o'clock at night, midnight, they sanctioned the department, went to Delhi headquarters.
Mm-hmm.
Then immediately while going, they said to our university authorities, convey our best wishes to Lakshman Kumar and ask him to start his activities. We'll send the written approval from the headquarters.
Okay.
They, within about a fortnight, they sent the approval. Then like that it happened.
That quick.
Huh. Then we started the department. We started certificate, undergraduate certificate course.
Okay.
Then postgraduate diploma course. Now degree course, that is MA post graduation in yoga and other things. Then I was I was guiding some medical students, doctors, who took interest in. I taught them yoga. They said, what money, how much money we have to pay and other things. Nothing to pay for this. And if you are interested in doing some research type of work, you can do some research work. I can give you the project. I gave the project. For example, effect of topsy-turvy postures, that is shoulder stand and other things. Effect on different systems of the body. You can study. Then I gave the projects. They studied, submitted the project. They got through the examination. Their examination after MBBS. Then all such things happened. The whole department was there. For 25 years I served there in the department.
Wow.
Then after my retirement in the year 1996 I retired.
Okay.
71 I had joined.
Okay.
96 I was retired.
Okay.
Then another university authorities approached me. They requested me start with the department. Then myself, my wife went to that university and started the department again.
Okay.
In another university, it is going on now.
Okay.
So, two universities, in one university, full-fledged department, another university, diploma. Now, some more universities have introduced. And those teachers who were trained in under my guidance, they are getting appointment now. They are happy. And most of the universities, there are nearly about 10 universities have introduced yoga now.
Wonderful.
In
Wow.
Karnataka state. All are getting a job and they are rendering their service.
Okay, wow.
This is simplest thing.
Yeah.
Simplest thing which is within the reach of even the poorest man.
Absolutely.
They can get rid of many difficulties,
Yes.
diseases and other things, and prevent them, cure them. Because of all, a lot of demand was created.
Absolutely.
My wife, she has completed her PhD, doctorate
Wow.
in this yoga.
In yoga.
Yeah.
Okay.
And all my three children, Vijaya, one of them,
Yes. She's
they have completed 1 year course in the university.
and they are teaching.
A teacher.
Yep.
They are also teaching with me. Now these kids you have seen today,
Yeah, you're absolutely. Wow. Well,
like that they are taking interest in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, Lakshman Kumar,
Yeah, please.
thank you
No, man.
for joining us.
No, man.
Okay.
No, I am
All
here.
the way from India,
No.
here in the Miami Valley. And we're now going to see Lakshman Kumar in action. We're going to see him train and do some yoga with his grandchildren. So thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.